Hey, what's going on? It's your coach, Trev Bucheri here, driving with Wall. Hey, and today we want to talk to you about keeping promises is everything. All right, so keeping promises, what do I mean by that? So these are promises to ourselves, and these are promises to others. And primarily it does start with ourselves. It has to start with ourselves. We have to prepare ourselves and take care of ourselves to the best of our ability and make sure that we're fulfilled to be able to best show up for others. Right? To be able to best show up for those promises that we make for others. So one of the biggest problems that we have, though, is exactly this, is keeping those promises. We promise ourselves that we're going to do X, that we're going to do Y, that we're going to exercise in the morning, that we're going to start eating better, that we're going to read each day, that we're going to start meditating, just to name a few. And then we're not able to show up for ourselves. We're not able to fulfill that in many cases because life gets in the way. So if we're not able to keep those promises to ourselves, how are we going to be able to best show up for the promises that we've given to others, right? So our word, our promise means everything. So how can we actually condition this? How can we, condition ourselves to show up for ourselves and for others, just like we say? And it's really just starting with the smallest, most minute things. What can you promise? What can you fulfill as a promise for yourself today? How can you show up for yourself today? And then, I challenge you to set one promise per week. One promise that you're going to do every single day, each week, or specific days. Hey, Monday through Friday, I'm going to work out, for example. All right, that's my promise to myself this week, or whatever it may be. Okay, and then show up for that. Show up for that, and then maybe add another one in the following week. All right, so this week I'm going to, continue exercising, and I'm also going to do this. I'm going to read for 15 minutes a day, or whatever it may be. Starting with those promises. And again, I'm just giving you some examples, but start making some promises for yourself that you then fulfill, that you show up for. All right? And then really, really pay attention to the things that we actually, promise others, that we say we're going to do, that we say we're going to show up for them, that we say we're going to give for them, do for them. And let's be good by that, because our word is everything. And our word is how other people are perceiving us as well. So I hope you got a ton out of this today. It's your coach, Trev Bucheri. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Also, Wall Bucheri, we appreciate you. And you have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.